Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create logos on different niches and sell the skin on Fiverr and other social media platforms. So as you know, you can sell this service on Fiverr or Upwork or etc, and you can sell this service on social media platforms, or you can sell this service on offline market, or you can go to websites related to your niche and ask them about your services, or you can make logo for your own business. It is a very premium skill and it is very easy to learn. I will teach you in 3 to 5 minutes. So in today's video I will teach you about how you can make a logo for construction company. So let's get started. So we are going to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online. It is very easy and handy to use. You can easily use it in easily learn it in some time. And if you want to know complete about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section. Here I upload a complete playlist on how to create a how to design means Canva designing course complete playlist. And after watching the playlist, I surely say that you can know everything about Canva. So let's go. I click on create a design. Here I search logo, and 500 by 500 pixels is the most widely used format for logo. So here I search construction graphics. Let's see some good templates. Yeah, I like this one. It's look good, so let's keep it. And after that I write a text, and here company name Zen Zen Constructions. And let's change the font style. Yeah, it's look good. After that place it in the center and change the background color with some light gray. Yeah, it's look good. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.